Hi everyone, welcome to an episode of Root Cultures. In this week's episode, we look at mounting Platyceriums. So this video would show two types of mount, but both with this stainless steel mesh. So the first method is one that you like to produce a lot of pups, or for plants that produce shoot that likes to wrap around things. For example, Helii, Alicei, Elsaconi, those that doesn't form forks around their shoot fronts. So for example, Madagascarensis, Radii, they form good examples of how you could train the plant such that it wraps around the whole stainless steel mesh. So here we are adding rehydrated sphagnum moss onto the stainless steel mesh. And then adding more volume to the sphagnum. After that, adding the top and the bottom to cover the mesh. And then next would be to tie using strings. So you want to ensure that it's secured nicely such that the sphagnum and the plant doesn't drop off. So we will not skip this part so you can see how it's tied. So here, going in circles, ensuring that it's tightly wound. And then here we're doing a test to see that nothing drops off. So up next is the classical semicircle mount. So this one you can typically see it where it's a half semicircle and the plant is then mounted onto that. There are a couple of ways to go about it. One is to dry the semicircle first, and so that will be easier, where you can easily mount and tie the plant on. The other way will be like this. So you can either use your freehand, or you can just get a bowl, shape it in, and then you can add it to the mesh or the board. So here we're giving it shape and volume, and then after that we're going to put a plant on it. Following by the same method as the first one, where we ensure that none of the sphagnum drops off. So this part is just securing the plant in place. Once we're satisfied, we can now secure the sphagnum. So this part is going around in circles, ensuring that all the moss is in contact with the string. So this part you can do it a couple of times, which is to add sphagnum until it forms a nice semicircle shape. So as we ran out of sphagnum, there was only enough for the bottom side. Which is fine, you can actually just add on the sphagnum until you are satisfied with a nice semicircle shape. Then just wrap the string around until it secures the sphagnum and you're good to go. So here are the two examples of both of them, left and right. So this is a semicircle shape, great for plants with nice shoot fronts. But you could also grow them with other plants. It doesn't really matter. Mounting is all about personal preference. And this is the other method, which is to add sphagnum for top and bottom. This one we're hoping to increase the pulp production. So do let us know in the comment section below, what is your go-to method for mounting? Which method do you prefer? We'd love to hear about it.